Have you ever wondered what powers the ordinary citizen in a democracy has to challenge the injustices they see around them? One such power is the ability to file a public interest litigation, or PIL. But what is a PL, and how does one go about filing it? Today, we explore this powerful tool of justice, a public interest. Litigation is a legal action filed in a court of law for the protection of public interest. It's not about a personal or private dispute, but about issues that affect a large number of people, maybe even the whole of society. The first step in filing a PIL is identifying a public issue. This could be anything from environmental concerns to human rights abuses to corruption in public offices. The issue must be one that affects the public at large, and not just an individual or a small group of people. Once an issue has been identified, the next step is gathering evidence. This could include documents, photographs, and witness statements. It's crucial to have strong, credible evidence to support the case. Next, a lawyer must draft a petition. This petition lays out the facts of the case, the legal questions involved, and the relief sought from the court. It's important to note that although a lawyer usually drafts the petition, any citizen can file a PIL, not just lawyers or legal professionals. After the petition is drafted, it must be filed in the appropriate court. This could be the High Court or the Supreme Court, depending on the nature of the issue and the jurisdiction of the court. Once the PIL is filed, the court reviews it. If the court finds merit in the case, it issues notices to the parties involved and the government, and then the case proceeds like any other legal case. However, a PIL is not without its challenges. It can be a long and complex process. It requires time, resources, and a thorough understanding of the law and the legal system. Also, there may be instances when the PIL is misused for personal or political gain. In summary, a public interest litigation is a powerful tool that allows ordinary citizens to bring issues of public concern to the courts. The process involves identifying a public issue, gathering evidence, drafting a petition, and filing it in the appropriate court. While it can be a complex and challenging process, it's a critical part of a functioning democracy, ensuring that justice is not just for the few, but for the many. Remember, in a democracy, the power ultimately lies in the hands of its citizens, so use it wisely.